لكن الله يشهد بما أنزل إليك أنزله بعلمه والملائكة يشهدون وكفى بالله شهيدا.
Whether people believe or not, Allah bears witness that whatever He has revealed to you, He has revealed with His knowledge, and the angels bear witness to it too, though the witness of Allah is sufficient.
إن الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله قد ضلوا ضلالا بعيدا.
Those who denied this truth and barred others from the way of Allah have indeed strayed far away.
إن الذين كفروا وظلموا لم يكن الله ليغفر لهم ولا ليهديهم طريقا.
Likewise, Allah will neither forgive those who denied the truth and took to wrongdoing, nor will He show them any other way.
إلا طريق جهنم خالدين فيها أبدا وكان ذلك على الله يسيرا.
Save that of hell, wherein they will abide, and that is easy for Allah.
يا أيها الناس قد جاءكم الرسول بالحق من ربكم فآمنوا خيرا لكم وإن تكفروا فإن لله ما في السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما.
O people, now that the messenger has come to you bearing the truth from your Lord, believe in him, it will be good for you. If you reject, know well that to Allah belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.